By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Notion Calendar View. Start by opening the Notion database that you want to see in a calendar format. This can be any database that includes a date property for the entries you want to schedule. Once the database is open, stay in that page so you can create a new view from the same source. Next, click New View. From the View options, choose Calendar. Enter a name for this view so it is clear what you are looking at when you switch between layouts later. After that, choose the date property that Notion should use to place entries on the calendar. Make sure you select the correct date field if your database has more than one. Then click Done to create the view. Once the calendar view opens, your existing database items will appear on the dates assigned to them. Each entry is placed according to the selected date property, so this gives you a schedule-based view of the same information already stored in the database. If an item does not appear where you expect it, check whether the correct date property was selected for the view. To add a new item directly from the calendar, click New or click on a specific date in the calendar itself. Notion will create a new entry tied to that date. From there, fill in the page details you want to include. This keeps new tasks, events, or content items connected to the schedule as you create them. If you need to change when something happens, move the entry to a different day by dragging and dropping it on the calendar. You can also open the item and update its date property manually. Both methods change the scheduled date, so use whichever fits the way you prefer to work. To adjust how the calendar looks, open View Settings. This is where you can change the calendar layout and control which properties are visible on each entry. You can also choose conditional colors and configure how the calendar is displayed overall. These options help you decide how much detail you want visible at a glance and how entries are visually organized. You can narrow the calendar to only the items you want by using Filter in View Settings. This is useful when you only want to see entries that match certain conditions. In the same area, use Sort to organize items in a way that fits your workflow. Filtering and sorting work together to shape the calendar into a view that reflects the information you need at that moment. From there, keep the calendar current by continuing to add entries, edit page details, and reschedule items as plans change. The calendar view updates as your database changes, so maintaining the dates and entry details will keep the schedule accurate over time. Your Notion database is now set up in Calendar View and ready to manage by date.